What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Tuesday, July 22nd, Costco has brought back Hot Buys, valid from July 19th to July 27th. I am going to leave a link in the comment section. Click that link and it'll take you directly to the flyer. And starting the video off in the number one spot with super simple ingredients from Amara, we have their yogurt smoothie melts. Now these do have pretty great reviews, no sugar added, which a lot of people love. Also, the simple ingredients does make it pretty attractive here. We have the macros on the back, 40 calories for a quarter cup. You can see there only 4 grams of carbs, 3 grams of sugar, no added sugar and no protein. And today for Costco's Hot Buys, they're taking $4.50 off the price, bringing it down to $8.99. I am going to attach the coupon flyer for each item. If you've been working all day and you're looking for a little bit of a boost, check out these energy drinks from Alani. These are their variety packs. They come in an 18 count. Each can is 12 ounces. You get 6 orange kiss, 6 cherry twist, and 6 pink slushes. You can see the calories ranges from 5 calories all the way up to 15 calories. And these energy drinks are very popular here at the warehouse. They're taking a whopping $6 off the price, bringing it down to $16.59. Now keep in mind, friends, every deal in today's video is valid to the 27th of July. Another hot seller here at Costco, we have the Rao's homemade marinara sauce. It does come in a 2-pack. Each bottle is 28 ounces. And today, they're giving us a great discount, 100 calories per serving, 6 carbs, and 2 grams of protein. There's been quite a few debates online whether Campbell's changed up Rao's recipe. For those of you who don't know, Rao's was bought out by Campbell's and they did switch up the recipe. It used to say San Marzano tomatoes on the back. Now it says whole peeled tomatoes. They added black pepper and oregano. $3 off the price, $8.99. Also, some people are claiming they did change up the olive oil. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are enjoying today's video so far, friends, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do put out some of the best Costco content around. And don't forget, our Amazon videos are the best, showing you the best deals every week, the latest and greatest on my channel. We also show Home Depot and Sam's Club, and we just broke 50,000 subscribers. Thank you for the support. And moving on to the number 4 spot, we have the Pumas. These are the men's no-show socks. They do come in a 10-pack. We have the men's and we have the ladies. Now, we also have 2 different color variations, which is nice. We have the white and we also have the black available. These are the Cool Max, so they are moisture wickening. Now, they come in a 10-pack, as I mentioned. They fit shoe sizes 6 through 12. They have the arch support. They have the mesh ventilation, and they even have the support cushion. Now, these are a great deal here. You can pick them up for $9.99 after $4.80 off the price. But if you don't like the no-show socks and you've been watching my Costco clearance videos, you would see the Kirkland athletic socks. These are on clearance and these are just as nice for $9.97. Make sure you watch all my Costco videos, and especially my last Costco clearance video. It was pretty amazing. Also, friends, a couple of weeks ago, I did make a Whole Foods video. Let me know in the comment section below if you watched it or not. That was a pretty amazing video. If you have a chance to watch it, go ahead and watch it. And check out these from Weatherproof Vintage. We have the men's tech short. These are quite nice. At the waist, they have a little stretch to it. They have the zipper pocket, which I like. Now, they do have sizes 30 all the way up to 42. We have the tan, we have the navy, and we also have the black. These are a nice regular fit. The inseam is 10 inches, and they're UPF 50, which is great. $5 off the price, only $9.99. If you buy it at Costco.com, they're $11.99, but they do qualify for the mix and match. In the number 6 spot from Kirkland Signature, we have the baby diapers. Now, these are redesigned. They're thinner and more absorption, but me personally, I'm a Huggy guys all the way. Here at Costco, they sell the Huggies Plus, and I feel like it does a much better job than the Kirkland Signature. They keep my kiddo nice and dry, and there's no accidents in the middle of the night, which I like a lot. Now, these Kirkland diapers, I can't really say the same. I haven't tried the redesign, but look at the price. How can you complain about this price? $29.99, but you can grab the Huggies Plus here at the warehouse when they're on sale for $40. Also, another great item is the baby wipes right next to it, a 900 count. Now, these are awesome. You don't have to have kids in order to buy these. Sometimes when the wife is not looking, I'll use the baby wipes to wipe down the counter and the kitchen table. These are nice. Keep a package in your car. When you come to Costco, you can wipe down the cart too with the baby wipes, which is pretty nice. In the number 7 spot for the ladies, we have the well-worn These are the women's V-neck blouse. Now these were not a fan of at all. I don't know what I was thinking. They definitely don't look like the picture to me. Not even the color matches the picture. So these, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. These look very cheaply made in my opinion. But look at the price. I don't know. Not too bad at $9.99. Let me know your thoughts. I mean, we only have two different colors to choose from. Now the blue looks okay in the picture, but completely different when you're looking at it at the warehouse. So Costco did totally redeem themselves with this set right here. These are the Live 2 Lounge for the women's as well. It's a 4-piece lounge set and they look great. We have 2 sets in this package here. Now it looks awesome. You get the shorts and the tank top, the blouse and the pants. What a nice combo. Now we have 2 different colors to choose from, the green and the purple, and they both look great in my opinion. We have extra small all the way up to 2X available online. Here at the warehouse, a little bit less, $5 off the price, $14.99, $16.99 at Costco.com. At Costco.com, it does qualify for the mix and match. If your warehouse looks anything like my warehouse, make sure you grab the right pillow. If it looks anything like mine, you don't want to get to the register paying for a $29 or $39 pillow. Now, these do come in a 2-pack. These are from Pure Luxe. They had a good amount of weight to them when I did pick them up, so that's a good sign. These are memory foam gel pillows. They look awesome, and especially for the price, you can't complain about this price. Right now, you got kids going away to college. You got kids going to camp. Look at this price. Awesome price. Or maybe you just need new pillows for yourself. They're taking $3 off, only $11.99. Prior to the sale, even $14.99 sounds like a pretty good price for the quality of these pillows. Another great deal here at Costco. We have the pork belly with the skin on. It's vacuum sealed. And look at the price today. They're giving us an amazing price. Now, they do deduct $10 off when you get to checkout. But here's the catch. Make sure you come down and read all the price tags. That way you can maximize your savings. Now, the prices in the case here, they do range from $58 all the way up to over $60. But you want to try to grab the least inexpensive package you can find. Now, this is the one you want to grab right here. Only $50. So that means you're going to pay $40.06 at the checkout. That's an amazing price. And because every single pork belly in the case does weigh differently, Costco's taking $10 off the price at the register. Now, choosing the least expensive package for $50.06, that's going to bring down the cost an additional $1.30. You're only going to pay $3.59 per pound. Another hot seller here at Costco, we have the Belgian boys. These are very popular. We have their mini pancakes, 26.5 ounces. Now, you do get about a 90 count per package, plus or minus, like it says on the box. These are light and fluffy. They're bite-sized, nut-free, no palm oil, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Whoa, this is blurry. Let me fix that for you. Much better. 190 calories per serving for 7 pancakes, 21 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of protein. Check out that price, $3.20 off, only $7.49. And the number 10 spot, we have the California Snackin'. These are the bite-sized salami and provolone cheese snack. Now, you do have to be aware of the sodium content. You can't just eat 2 or 3 of these in a row. You're going to swell up the next day. Don't even eat these daily because they do have a lot of sodium in them. 1,000 milligrams per package, basically. Now, they have 310 calories per serving. They have a good amount of protein, 22 grams. That's good. But they have 900 milligrams of sodium. So if you had 2, that's 1,800 in a day. If you had 2 today, maybe 1 tomorrow, you're going to swell up. $3.50 off the price, $8.49. And speaking of high sodium, we also have the Panera Bread. This is the original mac and cheese. You get a 2 count here, 48 ounce total. Now today, this mac and cheese does have high sodium as well. 1 cup is 1,150 milligrams, so be aware of that. Has 30 grams of fat as well, 500 calories per serving. It does have 40 grams of carbs and 19 grams of protein. But check out the sodium content on this one. A lot of people ask me for the sodium content, and here it is. $3.60 off the price, $8.29. Oh wow, I do like this deal from Spindrift. We have their sparkling water variety pack, and it does come in a 30 pack. Each can is 12 ounces. We get 10 lemon, 10 lime, and 10 grapefruit. All of them taste delicious in my opinion. I'm definitely going to grab a case for myself. If you haven't tried this, definitely try it out. Tastes amazing. It does have a little bit of calories, so keep that in mind. $18.99 minus $4 off, bringing the price down to only $14.99. Another energy drink in the number 13 spot from Monster. Perfect for our C-store owners or our Monster fans. This does come in a 24 pack. Each can is 16 ounces, but keep in mind, friends, these do have a lot of calories, so be aware. 230 calories for one can, has 58 grams of carbs and 54 grams of added sugar. If you didn't know, 1 teaspoon of sugar is equivalent to 4 grams. So essentially, each can of Monster Energy drink has 13.5 teaspoons of sugar. But today, it's a pretty amazing price. They are taking $8 off the price, which I like, bringing that down to $30.99. If you're looking for something with a lot less sugar, check out these drinks from Poppy, another hot seller here at Costco. Now these sodas, the sugar content, nowhere near as bad as the Monster. This is also a verified Shark Tank brand, if you didn't know that. Now here at Costco, we have an unbelievable deal for Poppy because they are taking $5 off the price. These are quite expensive at Whole Foods. Now each package here comes in a 15 pack. You get 5 lemon lime, 5 orange cream, and 5 watermelon. This is the endless summer. And then to my right, we have the Poppy, the juicy favorites. Now 5 strawberry lemonade, 5 orange, and 5 raspberry rose. Now these do have calories. They have sugar. Just keep in mind 35 calories or less per can. But look at the price, $5 off, only $14.99. That's basically $1 per can, and each can is 12 ounces. Pretty nice deal. And the number 15 spot from Clovis Farms, we have their organic super smoothie. Now in this bag, we get 6 individual bags. Each bag has blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, and spinach and bananas. Now me personally, I would just buy the bags individually. Now Costco sells a triple berry mix. They also have the strawberries. Grab yourself some bananas, some spinach, and you are good to go. But for today's deal, Clovis Farm is giving you 3 pounds of fruits and vegetables. They're also taking $3.70 off the price, bringing it down to $9.29. If you have time, I would just buy everything individually, and then when you bring it home, you can package it in little freezer bags. Well, hopefully everyone is enjoying today's video. If you are, come down, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Help the channel grow even further. We just broke 50,000 subscribers, and I'm super happy about that. Thank you so much. And the number 16 spot, a nice variety pack of Finlandia cheese. Now we have Swiss, we have Colby Jack, we have the cheddar, the Monterey Jack cheese. All 4 cheeses are delicious. Now I do want to grab this variety pack. Nico's always saying, Dad, I only like orange cheese. He doesn't want to try anything else. 80 calories per serving. So hopefully he does try this one out and like the different types of cheeses. Anyways, friends, they are giving us a good discount, $2.70 off the price, bringing it down to $6.99. And you do get 2 pounds of cheese. So if you think about it, 2 pounds divided by $7, that's $3.50 a pound for a nice high quality cheese. We also have the Hebrew National Hot Dogs. They're beef franks. These are made with 100% kosher beef. They're gluten-free, and we do get a 4 count per package here. No artificial colors, no preservatives, no gluten, but they do have nitrites in them. We get 4 packages. Each package is 12 ounces, so we do get a total of 28 beef franks here. And today, look at the price, $4 off, bringing it down to $8.99. Keep in mind, friends, I did mention this, they do have nitrites in them. So if you haven't watched my Costco clearance video from the other day, make sure you go back and watch it because we are going to do a giveaway. I'm waiting for everyone to leave me a comment letting me know what they want us to do as a giveaway. Choose anything from that video that's under $80 and we'll do that as our next giveaway. We also have the Simple Mills crackers in front of us. Now these ingredients are pretty amazing. Very simple ingredients. We only have about 5 or 6 ingredients here. 150 calories for 17 crackers, 17 carbs, and 3 grams of protein. This is a nice price here, especially when it goes on sale. Stock up. If you have little ones at home, this makes a great snack. Pretty healthy for them. Now, this is just almond flour crackers. $3 off the price, $6.99. And you do get 20 ounces of crackers. Each serving has 3 grams of protein as well. And next up from Dixie, we have their paper bowls on sale. Now I was hoping to pick these up, but I didn't realize how small they are. As most of you know, I'm still working on my kitchen. I am going to post pictures when I'm finally done and let me know your thoughts. Now these are only 12 ounces, so they are quite small, so I did pass on these. But if you need a nice little snack bowl, they are taking $2.50 off the price. Not that bad, and they're bringing the price down to only $7.99. And look what we have here, back on sale again. We have the Glad takeaways. Now we saw these for the 4th of July. These are in the way of the flowers. Now these do come in 70 pieces per package, but you actually only get 35 sets here. These are food storage containers and you can reuse them. Just wash them out. Don't put them in the dishwasher, but just give them a nice little wash. 38-ounce containers, so they are quite large. I like how they have the snap lock lids to them. That's great. Now they're taking $3 off the price, bringing this one down to $7.99. I like the price. These make great meal prep containers as well, especially if you're going to job sites. This is a great buy. Hang tight, friends. We're almost done with the video. A couple of more items to show you. We have the Tide Pods. These are the laundry detergent pods, free and gentle. 152 count here. It's designed for sensitive skin. Also, they're hypoallergenic, which is nice as well. 152 packs. They're taking $6 off the price, bringing this one down to $23.69. And just give me 1 second to turn around, friends. Right behind me, we have the Downy on sale as well. This is their soft liquid fabric softener. This is the April Fresh scent. A lot of people love this one. 257 loads per bottle here. They do give you 150 fluid ounces. Now, this is also HE compatible as well. Now, today, they're taking $3 off the price, bringing this one down to only $10.99. And for those of you who don't know, when it says HE compatible, that just means high efficiency. So we did miss a couple items that I couldn't find in Costco's Hot Buys. We have the women's Trek skirts. These are $5 off, bringing the price down to only $9.99. Also from Boulder Canyon, we have the variety pack of potato chips. We get a 36 count per box here. The classic sea salt, their spicy green chili, and their cracked pepper. Now from Colgate, we have their Optic White Platinum, another popular toothpaste here at the warehouse. 4-in-1 benefits. Now this comes in a 4-pack here. They're taking $4.50 off the price. I know in my videos I often say when we hear the word Costco, we often don't think home improvement, but the same thing applies for their travel deals. They have some pretty amazing travel deals at Costco.com. I am going to leave a link for Costco's Hot Buy in the description box, also in the comments section as well. And I do have one more for you. We have the Costco Pharmacy Hot Buys. Here are the Hot Buys. Grab them while they last. Costco's Hot Buys ends July 27th. Alright friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do put out some of the best Costco content around. Also friends, if you have Instagram, don't forget to follow me over at Instagram at WatchTheDealFinder. I'll see you tomorrow with another new video. Peace.